If you're trying to choose between Clarifai and Google Vision AI for image recognition, you're probably wondering, which one is more accurate? Today, we're diving into that question, breaking down key features, real-world applications, and giving you the insight you need to make an informed decision. Stick around till the end, because I'll be sharing a better alternative that could offer you even more accuracy and flexibility in your image recognition tasks. Let's start with Clarifai. Clarifai has built a solid reputation in the AI space, especially with its robust image and video recognition capabilities. They offer a wide range of models that can identify objects, scenes, and even specific visual features within images. What stands out about Clarifai is its focus on customizability. You can train their models with your own dataset, making it easier to tailor the AI to your specific needs. This is a big plus if you're working with niche data or require high accuracy for a specialized project. Next, we have Google Vision AI. Google has an edge here with its massive data pool and industry-leading AI. Vision AI provides deep integrations with other Google Cloud services, making it ideal for businesses already using Google's ecosystem. The service also benefits from constant updates powered by Google's vast resources, ensuring high accuracy, especially in general object recognition. But there's a catch. Vision AI's performance can sometimes be inconsistent when it comes to more niche categories or highly specific datasets. It's less customizable compared to Clarifai, which might be a deal breaker for some users. The third thing to note is their ease of use. Clarifai has a very user-friendly interface, making it accessible for beginners, and it also provides API access for developers. If you're a small business or an individual looking to implement AI quickly, this could be a big selling point. On the other hand, Google Vision AI is incredibly powerful, but it's not as intuitive for new users. Its deep integration with other Google services may make it a bit overwhelming if you're just getting started and don't already have a Google Cloud setup. Then, there's pricing. Both platforms offer pay-as-you-go models, but Clarifai can be a more cost-effective solution if you're on a budget, particularly if you're just getting started and don't need the full scale of Google's offerings. Google Vision AI can get expensive, especially if you're processing a large volume of images. For those looking for the most affordable option, Clarifai tends to be more budget-friendly in the long run, especially if you're not using the extra services Google Cloud offers. Next, we have performance. Both tools perform well, but accuracy can vary depending on your use case. Clarifai has done exceptionally well in specialized tasks like fashion and medical image recognition, where custom datasets are a key factor. Google Vision AI, however, excels in general object recognition and often provides superior accuracy when working with popular, well-known categories. The key takeaway is, if you're working in a more niche industry, Clarifai may be your best bet. If you need broad, reliable image recognition for common objects, Google Vision AI takes the lead. The fourth thing to consider is the available support and community. Clarifai has a thriving community of developers and a support system that's been praised for its responsiveness. Google Vision AI, while supported by Google's vast resources, doesn't offer the same level of tailored assistance. If you need hands-on help or community-driven solutions, Clarifai might give you the edge here. Now, after trying both of these image recognition tools, I can confidently say they both have their merits. However, for those of you looking for the most accurate and flexible solution for your image recognition tasks, I recommend giving something else a try. The software I'm about to tell you about could provide you with better performance, more accuracy, and unique features that suit your needs even more. If you want to get a better alternative to Clarifai and Google Vision AI, then make sure to check out the first link in the description. Through this link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Take advantage of it and see for yourself.